Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put buttons side by side in Mailchimp. This is a great way to give your email subscribers multiple call to action options in a clean, organized layout. Let's jump right in. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, you'll need to either create an account or log in if you already have one. If you're new to Mailchimp, simply click on Sign Up Free and follow the prompts to set up your account. If you're returning, just log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. After you're logged in, look to the left navigation menu and click on Campaigns. This is where you'll manage all your email marketing efforts. In the Expanded Campaigns menu, select Email Templates, then click on Mailchimp Templates in the top side menu. For this tutorial, we'll use a pre-made template since we only need to access the designer to show you how to add side-by-side buttons. Go ahead and browse through the available templates and click Create Email on any of the presented options. The specific template doesn't matter here since we're focusing on the button layout. You'll now be directed to the email customization page. This is where you can set your audience, craft your subject line, and schedule your email for delivery. For now, we're going to focus on the design aspect. On the right side panel, hover your cursor over and click on Edit Design. This will open up the email builder where you can start customizing your layout. Once you're in the design editor, look at the left side menu and find the blank layout section. Here you'll see various column layouts that you can use to structure your content. For side-by-side buttons, the perfect option would be the number 2 layout, which gives you 2 equal columns. Click on that layout option. Now drag this 2-column layout onto your canvas. You can place it anywhere on your page, whether that's at the top, middle, or bottom of your email. Position it wherever it makes the most sense for your design and messaging. After adding the layout, click on the Add Block option within each column. You'll see a selection of content types that you can add to your page, including text, images, dividers, and buttons. For each of the 2 blocks in your layout, select Buttons. This will insert a button into each column, creating that side-by-side effect you're looking for. And there you have it, side-by-side buttons on your page. All you have to do now is customize each button's action by clicking on them and setting the links, changing the text, adjusting colors, and styling them to match your brand. This setup gives your subscribers clear, easy-to-click options right next to each other. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.